State's national identification card production line begins with this clear, raw polycarbonate material, essential for the secure biometric smart card.
This state-of-the-art facility is where we manufacture the United States National Identification Card. The process ends with the extrusion.
A close-up view of the secure biometric Smart ID card receiving its tamper-resistant protective coating, ensuring durability and integrity. The micro-bonding station precisely connects the approved chip module to the copper antenna loop. This secures the biometric The security ink for the United States National Identification Card is blended here. It is a controlled, non-visible formula process. The process begins with the application of the secure biometric background. Fine rollers transfer controlled ink. The intricate guilloche patterns are layered onto the biometric smart card. As the UV light passes over, the hidden security features are revealed. The United States National Identification Card receives invisible security artwork at this UV printing station, appearing only under controlled inspection. Ghost portrait placeholder zones are applied in this stage, creating secure blank templates for authorized personalization later. The high-resolution microtext printing station applies microscopic security marks, visible only under magnification, ensuring the card's authenticity. The roller applies the optional magnetic stripe material under controlled pressure, ensuring a smooth bond to the biometric card panel. The laser flatness scanner meticulously checks the laminated sheets for imperfections. Once approved, the biometric smart card The secure biometric smart cards are punched with high precision. Next, the rough-cut blanks are moved to the edge finishing and quality control stations. The United States National Identification Card blanks enter the secure personalization area. They are placed into numbered trays for tracking. The United States National Identification Card is manufactured with secure biometric features. The secure biometric Smart ID card undergoes final encoding. The QR code is marked and scanned for print clarity before RFID provisioning. Authorized biometric confirmation terminal verifies the national identification card. The system confirms the protected biometric template reference in this closed environment. In this stage,
The automated carousel rapidly verifies the electronic security of each smart card's chip.
As the Smart ID enters the UV booth, specialized cameras analyze the glowing biometric security features, comparing them instantly to approved templates. To prevent counterfeiting, a highly reflective holographic overlay is heat-pressed onto the smart card surface. Advanced laser technology shapes the transparent window feature inside the polycarbonate body, ensuring the integrity of the secure biometric smart card. The embossing station applies subtle raised elements to the card's surface, a critical step in the manufacturing of the secure biometric Smart ID. A precise, thin, scratch-resistant layer is applied evenly across the secure biometric smart card, enhancing durability. Here we see the precise application of the biometric smart card signature panel, seamlessly integrated before the final anti-tamper overlay is sealed. The sophisticated machine vision system scans the biometric smart card for any imperfections. Once approved, it moves on to final human inspection. The OCR verification machine scans the card's readable fields, ensuring all printed and engraved text is machine readable. The chip response is verified after physical testing. The system confirms the chip remains functional, moving now to batch sorting. The secure biometric Smart ID card carrier sheets are printed and precisely folded, featuring fictional placeholder text only. Advanced optical scanners verify the embedded chip and holographic features against secure production references. The automated packaging line combines the United States National Identification Card carrier and sealed supporting mailer into a tamper-evident package. Inside the high-security facility, the logistics teams seals the biometric smart cards. Tamper-evident locks and manufactured under the highest security, the United States National Smart ID contains advanced biometric data, redefining national security.
Batches of the new United States National ID cards are scanned and loaded for secure delivery to the local issuing office.
Welcome to the secure issuing facility. To verify your identity, may I please see your appointment confirmation?
Of course, here it is. The secure biometric confirmation process is complete. Identity verified against the national database.
This is your new national identification card. Your biometrics are now active in the system. Please sign here to confirm receipt.
Congratulations! Here is your secure national identification card.
Thank you very much. Secure, swift, and reliable. The United States National Smart ID Card provides unparalleled security for authorized personnel.
The United States National Identification Card features advanced security. Biometric data is scanned and verified. Authenticated.
With advanced biometric encryption, your identity is verified instantly, ensuring maximum security and efficiency. Please place your index finger on the scanner right here.
Okay.
Perfect, you're all set. The secure terminal confirms the card belongs to the approved record.
Identity confirmed, Mr. Chen. You are all set. Thank you.
The United States National ID Card features secure biometric data and a smart chip, ensuring seamless verification across healthcare and transit.
The new U.S. National Smart ID ensures secure biometric verification in healthcare and beyond. Durable and reliable, it manages daily life until renewal.